Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Death Stranding 2 on the beach game, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem or stuck on infinite loading screen issue, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PC. So without wasting time, let's follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart Steam or restart PC. So open Steam, click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will close the Steam and then you can go ahead relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. If that doesn't work, then restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, then go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to run the game from game installation folder, run game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So go to game installation folder wherever you have installed the game, whether you have installed the game from Epic Games or Steam. Just go to the game installation folder. If you have installed the game from Steam, then go to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Death Stranding 2 on the beach folder, and inside the Death Stranding 2 on the beach folder, you will see this DS2exe file. Just double click it to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties and then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then in the compatibility tab check mark run this program in compatibility mode for. From the drop down here select Windows 8, then hit on apply, OK, and then go ahead launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then tick mark disable full screen optimization option as well, then hit on apply, OK, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick these 3 boxes. Just untick these 3 boxes and then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Now Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it, then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection, then click on allow an app through control folder access, click yes to allow, and then click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps, and then go to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. If you are on Steam, then go to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Death Stranding 2 on the beach folder, and then look for the DS2exe file, select it and then click on open to add it to the list. After adding it, go back, then click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings, then click on allow another app, and then click on browse, and then again browse to the game installation folder. So again go to the same path, C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Death Stranding 2 on the beach folder, and then look for DS2exe file, select it and then click on open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark. This is just an example I am showing with another game, and then click on OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well, and then you can launch the game and check. Or you can also turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program. Fix 4 is to run these files. Go to the game installation folder and you will see this install PSPC SDK runtime, PSPC SDK runtime installer, and PSPC SDK runtime manager. You have to run all these 3 files one by one. So what you have to do, go to the game installation folder, right click on install PSPC SDK runtime file and select run as administrator, and then click on yes and let it install, and then press any key to continue. Next double click on the PSPC SDK runtime installer file and let it install. Next double click on PSPC SDK runtime manager file and let it install. If nothing happens, then just ignore it, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to try these in-game settings if you are able to launch the game. So if you are able to launch the game, then go to the game settings and then turn off DLSS, turn off frame generation, turn off dynamic resolution scaling, NVIDIA reflex low latency, turn off ray tracing, disable HDR, lower down your graphic settings and then check. Now if launcher is disabled, then put minus launcher in the launch options to enable the launcher. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Death Stranding 2 on the beach game. This is just an example I am showing with another game, and then select properties, and in the launch option type minus LUNCHER launcher, and then close the tab, and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 6 is to reset display settings and graphic settings. So again, go to the game settings if you are able to launch the game, and then go to the display settings and then click on reset all, and then again go to the graphic settings tab and then click on reset all. And after resetting both display settings and graphic settings, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to perform clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to this AMD website. And if you have Intel graphic card driver, go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. So what you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card drive version and then reinstall it. And then you can launch the game and check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website, and once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card drive version and then select operating system and then click on find. Then you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. Whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download, and once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run it. So run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow, and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue, then select custom advanced option, then hit on next, then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam apps, common, Death Stranding 2 on the beach folder, and then look for the S2 exe file and then select it and then click on add. After adding it, expand it, click on drop down next to GPU preference and select high performance, and then you can relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If that doesn't work, then disable the integrated graphic card. So in Windows search, type device manager and open it. Then expand the display adapters, and this is the integrated graphic card driver. So you have to right click on this integrated graphic card driver and then select disable device and then click on yes to confirm, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. And after playing the game, then don't forget to come back here and then right click on it and then select enable device. Fix 9 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Death Stranding 2 on the beach game and then select properties, then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is given in my video description. Once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version, and if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once, and after your device restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to disable overlay. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Death Stranding on the beach 2 game and select properties. And here you will see the enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just turn it off and then check if your problem is solved or not. This is just an example I am showing with another game. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. Launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner. Click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to delete the Death Stranding 2 on the beach config file and saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the saved game progress and saved settings. So keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So open File Explorer and on the left click on Documents, and here you will see the Death Stranding 2 on the beach folder. First right click on it, copy it and go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder. Then again right click on it and select delete to delete it, and then again open File Explorer, open C drive, open Users folder, open your username folder, open App Data folder. If you don't see App Data folder over here, then click on this View, Show and check mark Hidden Items. Then open App Data folder, then open Local folder. Inside the Local folder, you will see Death Stranding 2 on the Beach folder. Again copy it and paste it to the desktop to keep the backup of this folder. Then again right click on it and then select Delete to delete it. Then go back, open the Roaming folder, and inside the Roaming folder you will see Kojima Productions folder. Again right click on it, copy it, go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup. Then again right click on it and then select Delete to delete it. And after deleting all this folder, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix setting is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect Bluetooth headphones, speakers, turn off Bluetooth, disconnect any Bluetooth dongle, disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Reserve Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of the tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 14 is to update Windows. So open Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on Check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And after installing the update, just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 15 is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Death Stranding 2 on the Beach game, restart your PC and then reinstall the game to the C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Death Stranding 2 on the Beach game, not loading, stuck on loading screen, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.